What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.049, down 5% on the day. Sitting market cap 336 billion. 24-hour volume 305 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to pick it, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit. Up to 30,000 in bonuses. Most of my trading is done here on Bitget. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto in the Discord. Let's hop into Gala Games. So we've started to break down just a little bit here. There's two scenarios. The first one is that this 5-wave move off the low here is complete into a wave 1. And you're looking to pull back in a wave 2. Actually, there could be potentially 3 scenarios. And you're looking to come down in a wave C. So we came down in a wave A, we had a little bit of overshooting wave C, and then we're coming down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to take you to your wave 2 pullback zone. The really bearish scenario is that all of this is the wave 4 of an ending diagonal, and you'd still look to come down in a wave 5, create a lower low. I don't think it's the likely scenario. I think the bottom, there's high potential the bottom's in, but anything can happen. Now, if we were to just continue to push to the upside, you could consider this to be bullish consolidation, even though we have strong bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Sometimes what will happen is price will go like this and consolidate, push a little higher, consolidate, push a little higher, consolidate. And what you'll see on the RSI is this: lower high. Well, that's not the best example. Lower high. And then what you'll have is a much larger bearish divergence on the daily, and eventually the price will crash. The price will come down. That is a possibility. You could consider this to be a bull flag with the technical target all the way up at 12 cents. I won't take it off the table because, of course, anything is possible in the crypto space. But we do have some signals of potential pullback with these divergences. Money's flowing out. So if we do pull back more, we've already completed a 5-wave move into a potential wave 1 to the upside and looking to pull back in the wave 2. So if we start to break the A wave low, which is here at about 42 cents, then more confirmation you're coming back in that wave 2 pullback, in my opinion. But if we do end up breaking out of this bull flag, we hold it as support. Your technical target is all the way up here at about 12 cents. So do keep an eye on that. Anything is possible. I am looking for that pullback. Hopefully I can get some more Gala in that range. But if it doesn't come, then it doesn't come. And that means that this 5-wave move is not complete yet, and we're going to see continuation to the upside. We have strong divergences on the 4-hour, on the daily. But as you can see, we're just continuing to consolidate. It's a little bit of boring price action. And we'll have to wait for confirmation. If this point of control is lost, then I would expect that wave 2 pullback. And as I mentioned, if you start to break out of that bull flag, just be cautious of bull traps. You could definitely see that continuation to the upside. I'm leaning a little bit more towards pullback in the short term, but we'll have to see how everything plays out. All right, gang, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. You can check out my full link tutorials, which are in the description, as well as pinned at the end of the video. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. You can see how the members are doing with their trades. They like to post their profits in here. And Mahado all plays for the price of a Netflix subscription. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.